What the fuck is that sound? Let's see if you can hear it. I could hear it. In Santa Maria, it's like 12. It's just low, like earthquake sound coming. It even shook the windows. Doesn't look like it's a missile or anything. Rocket from Vandenberg. Vandenberg's not that far. But I don't know what it is. Weird stuff is going on. We have to insist on peace, guys. Now's the time. Now or never. We have to stop hurting people now or never. We have to stop and repent, be sorry, make up for our actions now or never. Stop hurting people, guys. Stop being part of the war in any way, making weapons and making bombs anyway. Stop now, or don't make it to the kingdom.